Hello, we are doing some chemical reaction. We are going to do an overview of it like we had done in distance learning. We are going to go back and we are going to do a few hands-on things that we couldn't do in distance learning. And we are going to take this sheet that I'm going to provide, and you are going to take these. Let me go out of this screen. You are going to have this sheet here in the classroom. If you remember this with the candle, okay, with a partner, you are going to answer these questions by looking at this particular website that I'm going to provide. And these are all of the atoms, the molecules for a candle burning. These are all of the molecules. If you remember, the candle was CH4, and then as you light it with the oxygen mixes in, the chemical reaction takes place, it turns into something new. It turns into carbon dioxide, and it turns into two H2O molecules. Right? So we are going to be getting into more chemical reactions in class. So I want you to look at this screen. I want you to take this. I'm going to go out once more. I want you to take this. I want you to follow through with this and answer these questions. And here is the picture that I just showed you. On the back side of this template are all of the atoms, and I want you to cut these out, and I want you to glue them on a blank piece of paper like this that will be provided in class, and make it look just like this. You're going to put them together so they look just like this. So it's going to be the chemical reaction of a burning candle. Okay, that is going to be on here after cutting out these. Okay, so that's going to be your job today with a partner. You're going to do it with a partner. And you're also going to answer these questions on a hard copy like you did this year distance learning. Many of you didn't do this assignment. Many of you did. Either way, I want you to do it again. So look at this. I'm going to show you the website. I'm going to give you that website that you can go on to, this one right here, and you can answer these questions. With two people, you should be able to remember how they work together. Some of these other questions on here, all they are is taking and breaking out the number of atoms. So this is really a review of what we've done, is breaking out all of these atoms and listing how many each. The reactants, remember, are on this side. The products are on this side. So you're taking and pulling out all the different atoms from here, listing how many there are, and this side as well. Okay? And answering on the sheet. This is very important. And again, this is the hands-on one where you're going to cut these out and you're going to put them on this sheet of paper here. Okay? This is this part here on this one that you write out. All the reactant side is up here. Pull out the atoms, tell how many there are. Pull out the atoms here, tell me how many there are. Tomorrow we will have a lab in class that we will be mixing different reactants together and looking at the products. Okay, this should do it. If you have questions, ask. Okay, there you go. Bye-bye.